How to sign out from Gmail in Android mobile. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Gmail. Click on the three bars at the top left corner. Scroll down and click on Settings. Select the Gmail that you want to sign out of. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Manage Accounts. So you'll see the option of Google at the bottom. Tap on Google. And then select the account that you want to sign out of. Now you'll see Calendar, Contacts, Drive, Gmail, and Sheets is ticked on. Untick the ones that you want to keep, because if you sign out of this account, then everything related to this account will also be deleted. So to sign out, click on More at the bottom, and then you'll see the option of Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account, and this account will be signed out of from your Android mobile. So this is how to sign out from Gmail in Android mobile. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.